Checked your credit report and saw the word default. Maybe you've been declined for a car loan, a mortgage, or even a phone plan. And now you're wondering what it means for your future. A lot of Australians think a default appears the moment they miss a payment. The good news is, a default doesn't always mean the end of your financial options. In this video, we'll break down how defaults actually work in Australia, how long they stay on your credit report, and the practical steps you can take next to get back on track. So, what actually is a default? In Australia, a default is usually linked to a debt that's been overdue for a long period of time. Generally, before a default can be listed, the debt needs to be at least $150. It usually needs to be overdue for 60 days or more, and the credit provider must send notices beforehand. Defaults can come from credit cards, personal loans, utility bills, and even buy now, pay later services. One thing many Australians don't realise: a late payment and a default are not the same thing. Late payments can appear in your repayment history information and may stay there for around 2 years. But defaults are more serious listings and can have a stronger impact on your credit report. Most defaults stay on your report for 5 years from the date they're listed. Now here's something important. Not every default is necessarily correct. There can be incorrect balances, duplicate listings, wrong dates, identity mix-ups, or notices that weren't properly sent. Under Australian privacy laws, Australians can request corrections if information on their credit report is inaccurate or misleading. That's why checking your credit report carefully is so important. If you find a default on your credit report, try not to panic. Instead, focus on the next steps. Here's a simple 5-step action plan. Step 1. Get a free copy of your credit report. Step 2. Check all the details carefully. Step 3. Gather supporting documents. Step 4. Contact the credit provider. Step 5. Seek professional help if you're unsure. Australians feel stuck because they don't know who to contact, what documents matter, or how disputes actually. That's where professional support can make a real difference. Seeing a default on your credit report can feel overwhelming. But understanding how defaults work is often the first step toward getting back in control. And remember, a default does not automatically mean you'll never get approved for finance again. Many lenders still look at your current income, recent repayment behaviour, your overall financial position, and whether the debt has been resolved. If you want to learn more, read the full blog on the Fix Bad Credit website. And if you'd like support understanding your credit report, Fix Bad Credit may be able to help explain your options and communicate directly with credit providers on your behalf. Check out the website or contact the team today. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more.